Okay, now that we've capacity checked them, and we've also had them sitting on the shelf for a couple months to make sure that they stayed at their 4.1 or above voltage, we are going to organize them um, by capacity, low and high. So I've taken the 2200, two of those, and then 2300 milliamps, two of those, and I'm breaking these packs down into lows, which is going to be 20. I'm sorry, these are the 2300s. These are the 2300 to 2349, and then 2350 to up to 2400. Actually, 2399. So with those broken down from low and high, I will regroup them into the cell holders, and then that way, when I do my random populating of the new packs that are going to go in the do-it-yourself generator, solar generator, I will have them somewhat equalized so that they have similar capacities throughout them. So I will be breaking these all down to lows and high packs and then populate them onto these. Okay, so now I saved you the boredom of watching me put all the little red rings in the new packs. I went ahead and inverted these so that all the positives are facing down, so I can just transfer them straight into the positive side of the new packs. So we are switching from 4 packs, like I said, the 2200 to 2300. We broke them down into the lows and highs, and I'm going to do the random packing method, which is just going to take all of the highs, starting at the top here, and then just move on to the 23 highs, and then to the 23 lows, 22 high, 22 low, and work my way forward. What that's going to do is going to equalize each 3 of these packs with like similar averaged capacities. Make the packs stronger, hopefully, and more capacity. I have been taking, like I said, ideas from different groups, and this one random method that I saw done on a YouTube channel was HP Powerwall. I've watched a lot of his videos, and he's a very, very creative and smart guy building Powerwalls. Fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and start with these, and I'm going to probably speed up through it so you don't see the boredom of putting them all in. And like I said, we are just going to start with the 2300s high, starting on the back, and work our way forward as we go lower. Okay, well, that concludes the packing of our packs without using Repacker, using the random method. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I did put that little red ring back in. Really, I did. And they are all ready to go. So the next time you see me, we will be making bus bars and getting them to fit our new packs. Okay, well, thank you very much. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like it, and ring the little notification bell. And that will prompt a little message for you. So my next video coming out, which is going to be so exciting with the bus bars, you'll get a little ring and tell you when it comes out. So thanks again for coming, and have yourself a fantastic day.